Hey everyone! Welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're diving into a word that's often mispronounced and sometimes misunderstood: ecstasy. Let's break it down and get it right. First, here's how you spell it: E-C-S-T-A-S-Y. Now for the pronunciation: ecstasy. Let's break it into parts. First, E-K, like the beginning of echo. E-K. Next, sta, just like saying sta in stuck. Sta. Finally, C, like the word see. Let's put it together. E-K, stir, C. Say it with me one more time. E-K, stir, C. Perfect. Now, what does ecstasy mean? It's a noun that refers to an overwhelming feeling of joy or intense happiness. Imagine being so happy you feel like you're floating. That's ecstasy. It can also refer to a trance-like state of deep emotion or sometimes a specific substance, but we're keeping things focused on language today. Here's a fun fact. The word ecstasy comes from the Greek word ecstasis, which means to stand outside oneself. Kinda cool, right? It's like happiness so intense you feel out of this world. Let's practice it one more time. E-K stir C. Awesome. You're doing great. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends who love learning new words. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Say It Right. Take care.